Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, my name is Chef Fran. But first, give me a virtual hug by hitting the subscribe button. And in return, I will give you a new recipe every week. So today we're making a beef, potato, broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots one-pot meal. With not having a lot of time on hand, let's do everything all in one pot. So we're gonna sear our meat first to get started. And once we sear our meat, we'll take it out. And with the nice fond, we're just gonna put the potatoes in to get a little bit of colors, as well as our broccoli and our cauliflower and carrots to kind of get softened a little bit. We'll add our meat back and we're gonna put it in the oven. Okay, so I'm gonna put my beef in here so it can sear. You want it to get some color. Now the only thing is that when you sear, things do tend to pop, so you gotta be careful. And the meat is gonna shrink a little bit. That's not cooked now, because we want it to become tender. So it's not, it has color, but it's not at tenderness that we need it to be. So, taking this out. So now I'm going to finish chopping our onions. Now that our meat is sauteed up, or rather seared. So, and finishing my garlic. And we're gonna put our onions in here to get a little color, and then I'll add the garlic last, and we'll incorporate all the other goodie stuff. So, just so we can cook up our onions and our garlic. Now we're gonna add some wine to here, some Marsala wine, actually. A little Marsala wine. And what's that gonna do is help bring up all the fond, which is all that flavor that looks like it might be burnt at the bottom of your pot. That's all the flavor. You don't want to throw that out. You don't want to get rid of that. Okay. Right now, just trying to get my onions sauteed up. I will add my meat back in after my potatoes in here. Get a little bit of flavor and color as well. With the onions. I want the potatoes to soak up these goodnesses as well. So I'm adding my broccoli and cauliflower. It's a little too big. I'm just breaking it up with my hand. I'm just stirring it around because I wanted to just have that max flavor that was in here. Now, normally you put some beef broth with this. I don't have beef broth, but I have better than beyond beef. So I'm going to add some water with that. So, just like I had beef broth. Just kind of, I'll add my carrots in. Mix all of that together. Let me get my carrots in here. And we're going to add our beef back in. So I have 1 cup of Marsala wine here. I'm adding some black pepper. Okay. This is my Better Than Bouillon seasoning. I have 1 big spoon and a half. I'm stirring it into the wine. I'm going to add some water. So I'm stirring this till it dissolves. After I add my water, I'm going to add some teriyaki sauce in it. So I'm adding a little Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire W13 sauce. My teriyaki. And then some water. And my garlic. It's just gonna all go inside. Just stir this. And I am going to pour this liquid over here. So this is my wine, my W13 sauce, my teriyaki, as well as the flavoring that was originally when we had the meat in there. And this is gonna go in the oven for 45 minutes. And I'm adding rosemary and I'm gonna add some butter as well. And I'm gonna cover it with foil. Now I'm putting my foil so it can get it in the oven. You put this in your oven. Here's our 1 pot beef, potatoes, carrots, cauliflower, and broccoli. All right here. Cooked, we seared our meat, as you know, in the beginning. And then we just added a little color to the potatoes, kind of put everything in the pot for a few minutes, and then we finished it off in the oven. So then you can go do laundry, go do everything that you need to do while this is cooking in the oven. And so our resident taste tester is here, Mr. Gio, and he's gonna let us know.
Let's try.
So you see he has a spoon, just to show you how easy it is to cut everything, how tender and soft it is.
Got a little bit of potatoes and meat. Very tender, lots of flavor between the meat, the potatoes, the sauce, just everything.
And now I'm gonna do my chef taste. I'm gonna have some potatoes first by itself. See how soft and how it's falling apart, so soft. Wow. Oh my gosh. Absolutely delicious. My veggies. Whoa.
Yeah, lots of flavors.
There's some good stuff here. And here's a piece of my meat. Super tender, super soft, absolutely flavorful and delicious. I promise you, you do this with this recipe, you will not be disappointed. Comment below if you've ever done a 1 pot with beef in it. And if not, definitely try this one. Let me know how it turned out for you. Thank you for hanging out with Gio and I today. We'll see you in our next video. Love you.